Hi, welcome to the Nurses Academy. Today we will discuss some of other questions regarding psychiatry, health and nursing. Okay, first question. A patient efforts to manage psychological stress is known as dash. A. Secondary appraisal. B. Coping. C. Primary appraisal. D. Distress. So answer is D. Distress. So coping of the stress is called managing of stress is called psychologically distress. Second question. Temporary loss of muscle tone and weakness of participated by a variety of emotional state is called catalepsy. So here muscle tone and weakness and all deltoid all muscles is causing the muscle tone, temporary loss of muscle tone and variety of emotions also is called cataplexy. Next question. Which term refers to perceptual abnormality? A. Delusion. B. Hallucinations. C. Attention. D. Orientation. Already I told perceptual abnormality regarding perception abnormality is called hallucinations. Next question. Immobile position that constantly maintained. They name motor activities disturbances. A. Dyspraxia. B. Chorea. C. Catalepsy. D. Echophrexia. So, chorea is involuntary abnormal movements. Catalepsy means the patient will maintain same position. In same position, the patient will be there. And echophrexia means repeating of same movement. Dyspraxia means difficulty in movement. Okay, the patient is immobile position, same constantly is called catalepsy because here the patient is having if patient is sitting one position means standing position, he will stand hours together in that position only. If he will sit long time same with that position only. So immobile position, if he'll move also he will not move, and that condition is called catalepsy. C is our answer. Next question. Formed visual hallucinations are seen in the lesions of A. Parietal, B. Temporal, C. Occipital, D. Frontal. So always any lesions formed in a occipital region that will causes the visual disturbances. Some other lesions also will causes the visual hallucinations that is present in the temporoparietal lobes. If any lesions are there, both temporoparietal region, both junction, again it will causes the visual hallucinations. So brain lesions will present in the occipital lobe that will causes the visual hallucinations. Next question. Misinterpretation of actual perception or real external stimuli is known as, already I said, so misrepresentation or interpretation of the actual perception, real stimuli means actually if there is a flower, we are perceiving that one as a any dinosaur or any other thing. So that is called A. Hallucinations, B. Illusion, C. Limited attention, D. Perceptual organization. B. Illusion is our answer. Next question. Which one of the following disorder is of thought? Regarding thought, what disorder we will call? A. Illusion, B. Echolalia, C. Amnesia, D. Illusion. So regarding thought, delusion means a strong belief regarding something, that is called delusion. Regarding thought, whatever belief is there, that is called delusion. Next question. A false, irrational, unshakable belief is called obsession, compulsion, delusion, illusion. So a false belief, irrational, unshakable belief is called delusion. For example, delusional persecution means some person is killing me. That person will not cause any harm to him, even though patient feel that someone is killing me. Unshakable belief and false belief is called delusion. Next question. The condition in which false belief are firmly maintained even though they are not shared by other is called dash. This one also false belief firmly maintained by the thought, they are not shared by others is called delirium, delusion, illusion and hallucinations. Already I told a false belief of thought is called delusion. Next question. A delusion disorder is A. Denial, B. Derailment, C. Repression, D. Undoing. So D. reliement means there is no reality, false belief, unshakable belief. It's called delusion. Next question. Cotard syndrome occurs mainly, more commonly in A. Schizophrenia, B. Delusion disorder, C. Psychotic depression, D. Psychotic mania. So delusion. So what is Cotard syndrome? Cotard syndrome means delusional belief. They are thinking that already they died, and they will think that their body part is missed, and also they will think that so they are not in this world, and also they will think that they will walk on the phantom. This kind of syndrome, Cotard syndrome, is seen after the age of 50 years of old age. We will see in this kind of syndrome. They will believe they died. They will believe there some part is missed from their body, and also they will believe some phantom means with amputated leg they are walking like that. They are having imaginary belief. Delusional means a false belief regarding their body. It is called Cotard syndrome. Next question. Egg-bomb syndrome is refers to as delusion of persecution, delusion of love, delusion of infestation, delusion of infidelity. So delusion of persecution means someone is killing like that, patient will think. Delusion of love means someone is loving me. Delusion of infestation means some infective organs, parasites are there in my body like that. A false, strong belief, unshakable belief is there to the patient. Delusion of infidelity, and their partner is having some other affair like that, patient will feel. And then here C is our answer because C is answer. Next question. What meant by thought broadcasting? A. Delusion that one's thoughts are being controlled by others. B. Experience of thoughts being removed from one's mind. C. Unpleasant expression of thought. D. Delusion that one's thought can be heard by the others. So D is our answer. So broadcasting means broadcasting means delusion that one's thought, their own thought, hear by others. That is not true. Their own thought, how they will hear by others? Thoughts cannot be heard by outside. Next, a disorder of thought in which patient has a false and fixed belief that member of family are trying to kill him. Already I have discussed this one. Delusion of persecution, delusion of grandeur, delusion of nihilistic disorder, delusion of guilt. So here our answer is delusion of persecution. Family members or husband or someone or my sister, like that patient is having false unshakable belief. That is called delusion of persecution. Next question. What is other name of delusion of persecution? Infidelity, passivity, paranoid delusion, grandiose. So that is answer is C. Paranoid delusion, also called delusion of persecution. Next question. A patient who refuses to eat, stating that his food is poison, is a typical example of. So here patient is refusing eating food because that food is poisoned. That is suicidal ideation. A. B. Delusion. C. Negativism. D. Hallucination. Here refusing to eat food. Refusing to eat food here because that is food is poisoned. This is unshakable belief. Patient is having unshakable belief. That means B is our answer. Next question. Persecutory delusion is more common in where we will see persecutory delusion. A. Schizophrenia. B. Paranoid schizophrenia. C. Manic depressive psychosis. D. Bipolar affective disorder. B. Paranoid schizophrenia. Already delusion of persecution is also called delusion of paranoid delusion also. So here paranoid schizophrenia mainly we will see. Delusion of persecution means family members are killing, thought false belief his patient is having. Next question. Mr. Raju says that he is the first lead of the world and he is born with a special mission in life. These are the symptoms of Raju first lead world, because here is normal person only, but he is telling I am leading of the world and also I born a special mission of life because he is thinking grandiose. He's not normal person, but he's thinking he is only leading the world and he burned for the special mission like that. What is that called? A. Autochthonous delusion, delusion of grandiose. C. Delusion of persecution. D. Delusion of preference. So here patient is telling he's great and he burned for special thing like that. So grandeur is answer. So delusion of grandeur, B is our answer. Next question. Grandiose delusion occurs in which of the following disorder? A. Manic disorder. B. OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. And C. Phobic disorder. D. Anxiety disorder. So here we can observe mania. Means what is mania? Elevation of the mood. And depression means a low mood. Here manic patients, their mood and psychomotor activity and also their thought and irrational thoughts, everything will increase. The patient will be there in grandiose because he will feel his purpose is some other, and he also expends more money, and he's not having money also, he will take debt and he will use money. Grandiosity is there. They will feel that we are very special. They will feel that we can do anything like that, and psychomotor activity also will increase. Their thought also will increase. Flight of ideas also will present in delusion of grandiose people who's having manic disorder. We can see grandiose delusions in manic disorder. A is our answer. Next question. Which of the following delusion common in depression? Depression, what we will see? Delusion of nihilism, delusion of poverty, delusion of persecution. So here all these we will see. Poverty, they will feel they are not having nothing, and delusion of persecution also they are having, means someone is killing me, and also nihilism also they can't believe their partner also. All above is present in depressive disorder. Next, delusion are common in depression except. So some delusions are common in depression, but one thing will not be there. Delusion of nihilism, A. B. Delusion of persecution, C. Delusion of grandiose, delusion of poverty. So the all previously I have discussed, the patient is having false belief of poverty and persecution and nihilism. Everything will be present, but delusion of grandiosity we will see in manic patients. We will be unable to see in depression because they are not having already low mood, and their mood is very low. That's why grandiosity will not present in depressive patients. Next question. Preoccupation with body illness is seen in. So all here they are what they are telling. Always the patient will think they are suffering with some disease. O. Obsession. B. Preoccupation with body illness is seen. A. Obsession. B. Somatization. C. Hypochondriasis. D. Conversion disorder. So here preoccupation with the patient is preoccupation with the body illness. He will think always I am having some illness, but medically we are unable to prove that condition, and they will think excessively seriously. They think my body pains are there, I am unable to do work like that. Because of that physical illness, they will psychological symptoms, they will think they are having some disease condition. But the patient is not having any physical condition. Medically, we are unable to prove. What is that one called? A. Obsession. B. Somatization. C. Hypochondriasis. D. Conversion disorder. C. Hypochondriasis. Next question. Hypochondriasis type of A. Conductive disorder. B. Somatoform disorder. C. Conversion disorder. D. Organic brain disorder. So, B. Somatoform. What is meaning of somato? Somato means physical or body. This is one type of the physical illness caused by the psychological thinking. So hypochondriasis comes under the somatoform disorder. So thank you for listening. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. One and all.